question going to come from Ms. Shaitan.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Here is your simple question. Are women better peacemakers than men?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Okay. Are women better peacemakers than men?
Thank you for that question. I do believe that we are all equal and we all have the capacity to be peacemakers. And as someone who is a part of Miss Grand Philippines, I would like to encourage men and women to be the best peacemakers in this country and in the world. Because it is us, it is within us, who can only inspire other people. And these little things that we can do can make a very big difference. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.